One of the most forgotten locomotives that has ever ran on the Sequatchie Valley Railroad will be former Norfolk and Western SD35, number 1534. Info on this mammoth is very little, but there is some. Constructed on October 16, 1965, 1534 was one of the 80 other SD35 locomotives built for the NW. She could carry 3,000 gallons of fuel and produce 2,500 horsepower. 1534 had an ordinary life on the NW until the NW and Southern merger happened. It was still wearing its black jacket with simple white lettering NW on the sides and on the nose even after the merge. October 26, 1989, Norfolk Southern decided to retire the 1534 with more SD35s from my guess. 1534 was stored at Bellevue, Ohio for about 2 years. Halloween of 1990, Mr. Abernathy purchased 1534 from NS's Deadline, where it would make history at the time for being one of the largest locomotives that has ever ran on the Sequatchie Valley Railroad. SQVR 302 breaking that record in 2013 with 3,000 horsepower. A huge downside on 1534 was its weight and overall size. SQVR's track was not in the best of shape, and with 360,000 pounds putting so much pressure on the rails, 1534 was instantly disliked for derailing occasionally. She was given the nickname Railbuster for obvious reasons. In April of 1998, 1534 was sold to HELM Leasing. She was rusted in most spots, stripped from her bell, and number boards were missing from probably trespassing rail fans. After this image, I have failed to find any more photos of it. 1534 was shipped to St. Louis, Illinois, and she sat for a little over a year. Finally, in late 1999, 1534 was scrapped. The beast of the Sequatchie, gone. Though her time on the SQVR was short, she was known for her black coat and a reputation of being a pain in the rear for the crew.